In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the power steering fluid in your car or truck. I want to change the power steering fluid if it's gray or brown like this one. To know what power steering fluid you're going to need, go in your owner's manual under power steering fluid. Also, we need Mercon automatic transmission fluid. We're going to be using this automatic transmission fluid. Locate your power steering fluid reservoir. The power steering reservoir is going to be written power steering fluid on it. Now our fluid's really dirty, so we're going to go ahead and change it. With the cap removed, you want to use the turkey baster and remove as much fluid as you can from the reservoir. With no more fluid in the reservoir, we're going to go ahead and turn the wheels. Now this step is optional, but we lifted up the vehicle to make it easier to turn the wheel. To pump fluid back in the reservoir, you want to turn your key to the on position and turn the wheel. Add your new power steering fluid. After adding fluid to the reservoir, you want to start the car and add some more as it goes down. After having the car running and topping off the reservoir, you want to go for a 5 to 10 minute drive to make sure all the fluid goes in the system. After about 10 minutes of driving, you want to repeat the procedure. Once you've emptied the fluid, you want to turn the wheel. After turning the wheel, remove the fluid in the reservoir. Once you remove the fluid, add your new fluid. After the second time adding fluid, start the car. We're gonna go for a 5 to 10 minute drive. This is our third time removing and refilling the fluid. As you see, it's getting nice and red. So we emptied and refilled the fluid 3 times. We use 1 quart of our power steering fluid. Once you're done, check the power steering fluid level and top it off if needed. Check your fluid level. As you can see, our engine's cold. We're at the full cold mark. Nice and smooth when you turn the wheel. I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to change the power steering fluid in your car or truck.